the number of moles of lead 2 nitrate needed to make 500 mils of a 1.25 mole per liter solution. So we know our concentration. Our volume converted into liters, 0.5. So now we just rearrange C equals N over V to solve for N. So N equals C times V. So N is equal to 1.25 moles per liter times by 0.5 liters. So we get 0.625 moles. I feel like after physics, these calculations are kind of a breeze for you guys, okay? Yeah. You've just practiced manipulating variables and formulas so much, you're gonna rock this. Okay, so example 5. How many liters of 4.22 mole per liter solution would contain 3.69 moles of barium chloride? So you know your concentration, 4.22. You know your moles. To solve for liters, or to solve for volume, you rearrange for N over C. So V is equal to 3.69 moles divided by 4.22 moles per liter. So we get 0.874 liters. And last one. Good to go. Okay, so the last one, calculate the mass of the salt required to prepare 1.5 liters of 0.565 moles per liter solution of potassium phosphate. Now when it says salt, this is an ionic compound that was produced probably from an acid-base neutralization. Okay, so it's saying like this salt is potassium phosphate. That's what it's saying. So it could have been reworded to say, calculate the mass of potassium sulfate required to produce that solution of potassium phosphate. Potassium sulfate. So you know your concentration, 0.565. Your volume is 1.5 liters. Now, you find your molar mass by going 3 times your potassium plus 1 phosphorus and 6 oxygen. So now you need to find your moles first to find your mass. So your N equals C times V. So the number of moles that's used in this solution is 0.8475. So now since you know your moles and you found your molar mass on your data booklet, now you can find your mass. So mass will be moles times molar mass. And your final answer is 180 grams. So now what you can do is go to your workbooks. Okay. And we should be on the part where it says 5.3 concentrations. So now you can do those questions. And then once you're comfortable with those, then we do multiple ways. Okay. So your workbooks, I think it's questions 1 to 10 in concentration, 5.3.